installing the combo automatic motorbike washing machine and helmet washing machine in just one day. Start a professional business journey. Go&Go officially completes the transportation and installation of the combo of automatic motorbike washing machine and helmet washing machine for our customer, a complete package within just one working day. Behind that quick installation, even is the careful prepare and synchronized process from production, inspection to actual implementation at the site, starting the journey not just buying a machine. For many people, buying a bike washing machine or helmet washing machine is simply buying two devices to use, but for Go&Go, it is the start of a serious business journey with a clear direction and long-term companionship. As soon as the customer decides to invest in a combo model, Go&Go will perform the following steps. Schedule the machine production, ensuring that it is in accordance with the discussed technical specification. Comprehensive quality control from the machine frame, component to the electrical system, water control software. Every process is closely monitored to ensure the product is of the highest quality before leaving the factory. Go&Go understands that customers are not just buying a machine, but investing in a model that can generate stable long-term income. Therefore, meticulousness from the beginning is the prerequisite. After inspection, the machine will be transported by Go&Go's specialized vehicle to the customer's place of business, whether in a big city or a small province. As soon as the machine arrives, Go&Go technical team will be there to start installation on the same day. A technician will service the site, then start implementing the most optimal plan. Depending on the actual area of its location, all operations are performed neatly and safely, connecting the power source and water line according to technical standards, ensuring the machine operates stably and easy to use and easy to maintain later. Go&Go does not run after quantity, but always put the criteria of operable, stable operation, easy to exploit effectively at the top priority. After completing the installation, Go&Go does not stop there. The team will test the entire motorcycle washing and helmet washing process on the spot. Customers will see their own eye how the machine operates, feel the speed, cleaning quality, and convenience of the system. Then the technician will guide the customer on how to use its function of the machine, from basics to advanced, share how to handle common situations during operation, guide on how to clean and maintain the equipment to maintain the best performance for a long time. Even customers who have never done a bike wash model before can easily access and operate it after this tutorial. Hand over and maintenance support according to the site contract. When everything is ready, Go&Go will hand over the machine and accompanying manual in a transparent, clear, and complete manner. However, the biggest difference of Go&Go is not only the handover stage, but in the commitment to long-term after-sales support. 1 year hardware warranty, maintenance, one technical support forever, even remotely or on-site when necessary. Always accompany customer on the journey of operating, expanding, and developing the model. Go&Go does not just sell a machine. We provide practical business solutions, supporting from the first day until customer operates smoothly and have a stable income. That is the entire process of transporting, installation, and handling over the combo of Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine combined with Go&Go helmet washing machine within just one day. Once again, thank you for following. If you have looking for a modern, effective business model with a long-term team, do not hesitate to contact Go&Go. Subscribe to the channel to follow the latest video, and do not forget to leave a comment if you have any question.